Welcome to the MAFEIP Introduction video series, a series designed to help you understand and use the monitoring and assessment framework of the European Innovation Partnership on Active and Healthy Aging, for short, the MAFEIP tool. In this session, you will learn more about the structure of the MAFEIP tool and how to navigate through the different tool sections. MAFEIP is an online tool that can be accessed by navigating to the following address using a browser of your choice. A short introductory text presents the key aspects of the MAFEIP project. To learn more about the MAFEIP tool, click on the appropriate tab near the Home button above. This section briefly illustrates what to expect from the MAFEIP tool, as well as provides a detailed explanation on the model behind the tool simulation. As you will see later on in this video, the MAFEIP tool allows the user to select different types of Markov models. This is the section that would help you better understand which Markov model would better adapt to your intervention. The page ends with a summary on the impact evaluation methodology, which will be useful when analyzing one of the results shown later in Step 3. To start using the web tool, scroll to the top of the page and click the blue button, Start using MAFEIP. You will then be redirected to the login page of the platform. Please note that the tool requires you to have a username and password as login credentials. To acquire your login credentials and set up your MAFEIP account for the first time, please contact info@mafeip.eu. The tool saves your results using sessions. You can start a new session by clicking on the button labeled Select Model to continue. You may also access your saved sessions at a later time period, clone or duplicate a saved session, or delete a saved session. This video will show you how to create your first session. To create a new session, click the green button, Select Model to continue. Here you will find a list of the possible Markov models as described under this tab. The probabilistic module, indicated by the last 3 items on this list, is initially disabled. You may request access to this module anytime by emailing our team at info@mafeip.eu. In this video, we will show you how to navigate the MAFEIP tool with a 3-state Markov model. The MAFEIP tool consists of 5 steps. The first step consists of filling in relevant information about your intervention. This includes general information such as the name or acronym of the intervention, the target population, information about the characteristics and aims of the intervention, and the available evidence that has been collected to support the effectiveness and impact of the intervention. Click on the Go to Model Input button to continue on to the next step. Step 2 is where the user fills in data that will be used in the model. The parameters required are divided into 4 sections. Please take note that some of these sections may look different if you have chosen a 4 or 5-state Markov model. The setup section is where the user would define the model assumptions, the time horizon of the analysis, the target population characteristics, and the patient flow through model states. The probabilities section is where the user would specify the initial patient distribution over health states, the probability of the population transitioning from one state to another, and the relative risks of mortality based on the type of model initially chosen. The costs section is where the user would provide any costs associated with the intervention in standard care scenarios, such as one-off costs, recurrent costs per person per year, healthcare costs, and societal costs. The Utilities section is where the user would need to provide health-related quality of life weights associated with each patient group and health state. After completing this section, click on the green button to start the analysis. In Step 3, the user can view the results of the analysis. 4 types of output are presented. Incremental costs and health-related quality of life are shown for every age-gender combination within the specified target population. The results are displayed as charts and as a table. The overall impact of the intervention on healthcare or societal costs and quality-adjusted life years for the total target population is shown using a cost-effectiveness plane. Another chart displays the incremental costs and incremental effects accumulated over the model time horizon. Cumulative impact estimates for the entire target population in a given year is shown upon hovering over certain time points along the curves. And lastly, the patient flow through the different states are depicted in 2 graphs. 2 separate videos from our series explain how to interpret the results in this section. MAFEIP also offers the possibility to assess the impact of different inputs for selected parameters on the outcome of the evaluation using a univariate sensitivity analysis. The user can select the parameters that will be included in the analysis and provide lower and upper estimates. The results of the sensitivity analysis are shown upon clicking the green button. These are divided into 3 sections: univariate sensitivity analysis, parameter impact on incremental costs, and parameter impact on incremental effects, shown on separate charts. Separate videos from our series further explained these 2 sensitivity analysis sections. This video presented the structure of the MAFEIP tool and how to navigate through the different tool sections. If you would like to try out MAFEIP, contact us at info@mafeip.eu to get assistance and more information. Also be sure to check out the MAFEIP user guide and the other videos in this MAFEIP introduction video series. Thank you for watching.